Check, check. Now you can have a table saw, but without a feed table, that table saw is pretty much pointless.
No, it's just a fallacy.
Figured that out really quickly when I didn't have one and was using this saw. And just to build the feed table, you almost need a feed table. Now I built this outfeed table for two functions. One for obviously outfeeding everything I'm working on the table saw with, and as well as to build and construct pieces of furniture or cabinets on. So that in mind, I designed this to be 8 feet long both ways. That's gonna help if you're ever building like a pantry or if you're building like a coat closet or anything like 6 or 8 feet tall. You've got a nice long runway to put the pieces together and, you know, fix everything up. Now this is my second feed table I've ever built. My first shop I had one, but I didn't have any leg levelers. That is key for this. Now after finding these leg levelers on Amazon, I put a link down below just because these are really, really, really nice. They actually hook onto the plywood or whatever your post leg is gonna be, and you screw it from the outside, or if you hide it, you can put it on the inside, but it's got this little cap so the wood is gonna sit on that and get it off the ground just a little bit. Screw those on there, and then it comes with an Allen key, so you can just level these up. It also comes with a locking nut there, but I took mine off because I didn't need it. I wanted it to be a little lower due to bad math. I didn't include that lock leveler nut.
I've made a huge mistake.
And I needed to be able to make sure I had enough room. So I just took it off, got rid of it, no big deal. Very nice product. Link is down below. Check out the build.